In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively truncate text on your website using Webflow, a powerful web design tool. Whether you're aiming for a clean, concise presentation or want to indicate to viewers that there's more content to explore, Webflow has the tools you need. So, let's dive right in and tackle this step by step. First things first, you want to start by opening Webflow in your preferred browser. Once you're in, navigate to your website project where you want to make this particular change. It's important to have the specific project open so you can work directly with the elements you'd like to edit. Now, locate the text element on your website that you want to truncate. Whether it's a title, a paragraph, or any snippet of text, find it on your page. You should see a section on the right side of your screen that is dedicated to styling options. This is where you'll manage how the text is displayed on your site. Within these styling options, you'll notice there are two main methods for truncating text: clip and ellipsis. Let's delve into what each of these does so you can make an informed choice. The clip option is straightforward. It simply cuts off any overflow text sharply at the end of the line. It's a no-frills choice that's beneficial if you need to maintain a strictly concise look. This method is perfect when you want to ensure your design remains minimalist, without any additional visual cues hinting at more content. On the other hand, we have the ellipsis option. This adds a series of dots or an ellipsis at the end of your text. This approach suggests to your audience that there is additional content beyond what they can currently see. It's a subtle invitation for them to explore further, perhaps by clicking to read more or expanding the text area. To actually apply one of these truncation methods, click on the text you want to modify. With your text selected, go ahead and choose either the clip or the ellipsis option, aligned with the vision you have for your page. Engaging your audience thoughtfully with how you present content can make your website more compelling. Remember, the clip method keeps things neat and tidy, while the ellipsis invites curiosity. Both options can be valuable depending on the message you want to convey through your website design. And that's it. You now know how to truncate text in Webflow. This technique will enable you to better manage your website's layout, ensuring that all the important elements stand out just the way you want them to. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Webflow tips and tricks.